Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Bitmoji lip color on Snapchat. If you want to customize the lip color of your Snapchat Bitmoji, let me show you how it's done. The first thing you need to do is open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you've done that, tap on the settings gear icon right here. Next, scroll through the menu to the left until you find the lip color icon and tap on it. Once you do that, you'll see a variety of lip colors you can choose from. As you can see, there are lots of different shades available. Let's select this one. And as you can see, the lip color has now changed. You can choose any color you like. I'll switch back to the one I was using before. Once you're happy with your selection, just tap Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. And that's it. Super easy and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.